afternoon students. Today class I am going to start exercise number 1.4. We discuss about the second sum. Now we will discuss about the question number 2 in exercise number 1.4. What is the question number 2? In a competitive examination, 1 mark is awarded for every correct answer, while 1 by 4 mark is awarded for every wrong answer. A student answered 100 questions and got 80 marks. He answered 100 questions but he got 80 marks. Why? He answered some wrong questions, so he deducted. The mark is deducted, he get 80 marks. How many questions did he answer correctly? The question is asking how many questions did he answer correctly. So in competitive examination, awarded for 1 mark is for the correct answer. He answered correctly means he get 1 mark. If he answered wrongly means he deducted for 1 mark. So student answered 100 mark and students answered 100 question and got 80 marks. So what is asking? How many questions did he answer correctly? Use grammar rule to solve the problem. Now listen here. What is the solution? See the solution. Let x and y be there. Let x and y be the number of questions answered correctly and incorrectly. That is nothing but let x be the number of questions answered correctly, y be the number of questions answered incorrectly, that is wrongly. By the given data, how many questions he answered? 100 questions. Therefore, some correct answer plus wrong answer. So, x plus y equal to 100. Next one is what? How much marks he get? He answered the questions 100 questions. Therefore, total number of questions attend 100. X plus y equal to 100. But how much mark he get it? In 80 mark only he get it. So, he lose some mark because he answered what? Wrong question. So, x minus 1 by 4 into y equal to 80. Because if he answered wrongly means he deducted 1 by 4 mark. So deduction means what? We put minus symbol. X minus 1 by 4 into y equal to 80. So this is the equation 2. Using the two linear equation, now we are going to solve the what? Solve the problem using grammar rule. What is first we find delta. Delta equal to what? Already for last class I taught about the grammar rule. What is first we find the delta using the linear equation. First we find delta. Delta is nothing but what? Coefficient of x and y value. Delta is nothing but what? Coefficient of x and y value. What is the coefficient of x? 1, 1. Y is what? 1 minus 1 by 4. So what is 1 into minus 1 by 4? Again 1 into 1 is what? Minus 1. So you take the LCM. What do you get? Minus 1 by 4 minus 1. 1 4 is 4 minus 1. 1 4 is minus 4. That is nothing but what? We get minus 5 by 4. So delta equal to minus 5 by 4. Next we find what? Delta x. What is our delta x? Replace the x value. If you want to find a delta x means replace the x value. You substitute the constant for the linear equation. Replace the x value. You substitute the constant. What is the constant? 180. So replace the x value. Substitute 180. Again y value 1 minus 1 by 4. Now downward arrow, find the determinant for delta x. So 100 into minus 1 by 4 minus 81s are what? 80. So I see the calculation. 100 into minus 1 is what? Minus 100 divided by 4. You cancel value, you get what? Minus 25 minus 80. So add minus 25 minus 80 is nothing but what? Minus 105. Minus 105. Now we first find the x. X is equal to what? Delta x by delta. X is equal to delta x by delta. What is the delta x? Delta x is nothing but what? Minus 105. Delta is what? Minus 5 by 4. So minus 105 by minus 5 by 4 equal to minus minus become plus 105. 5 by 4, write the reciprocal for the denominator. We get 4 by 5. After cancel the value. 1 5 is 5. 2 5 is 10, 1 5 is 5. So I cancel 5 and 105, we get what? 21. 21 into 4 is what? 84. Therefore, the students has answered. How many questions he answered? He answered 84 questions correctly. The students answered 84 questions correctly. Now see the question number 3. A chemist has one solution. A chemist has one solution which is 50% acid and another solution which is 25% of acid. A chemist has one solution which is 50% of acid and another solution which is 25% of acid. How much each should be mixed? How much acid each should be mixed to make 10 liters of 40% of acid solution? Refer the question one more time. A chemist has two solutions having one solution is what 50% of acid, another solution was 25% of acid. How much acid he mixed? He mixed 10 liters. If you mix the two solution, you get how many liters? What is the quantity? Quantity is 10 liters. The 10 liters is 40% of acid solution. Use grammar rule to solve the problem. Want to find which is the 50% of acid is how much liter, 25% of acid is how much liter. That only we are going to find it. Now see the solution. What is the solution? Let X liter of 50% of acid. The 50% of acid is having X liter. We are going to find how much liters contain for the 40% of acid. So X liter of 50% of acid and Y liters of 25% of acid solution to be mixed. We are going to mix 50% of acid in X liter, 25% of acid in Y liter. So now how much total quantity is mixed? 10 liters. Then now by given data X plus Y equal to 10. X plus Y equal to 10. X is nothing but what? 50% of acid. Y liters of 25% of acid. Solution to be mixed. Therefore total quantity is what? 10 liter. X plus Y. X liter plus Y liter equal to 10 liter. Now we are going to find X and Y. This is what is the question. What is the first one? For the given data, first equation is what? X plus Y equal to 10. That is nothing but X liter plus Y liter equal to 10 liter. What is next? 50% of 50% of acid is nothing but what? X. Therefore 50% of X plus 25% of Y equal to 50% of X plus 25% of Y equal to 40% of X plus Y. 40% of X plus Y. Total acid. So this is the second equation. First equation easily find out. See the second one only. 50% of X plus 25% of Y equal to 40% of total acid. Total acid is what? X plus Y. Now 50% is what? 50 by 100 into X plus 25% of Y is what? 25 by 100 into Y equal to 40% of X plus Y. 40 by 100 into what is our X plus Y? X plus Y is nothing but what? 10. So substitute X plus Y what? Instead of X plus Y substitute what? 10. Now you cancel denominator having both the side having 100, you cancel the value. What happened? 50. You take the numerator only because denominator 100, 100. You cancel the both the side for 100. So 50x plus 25y equal to what? 400. Again, now you can simplify the calculation. So 50x plus 25y equal to 400. You simplify the equation. What happened? 2 into 25 is nothing but what? 50. 2x plus 1y equal to 16. This is nothing but what? Equation 2. What is the first equation? X plus y equal to 10 is the first equation. 2x plus 1y equal to 16 is the second equation. If you make the linear equation, means easily able to solve the problem. Now delta equal to, what is our delta? 1, 1. First equation is what? X plus y equal to 10. Sir, 1, 1. Here what? 2, 1. 1, 1, 2, 1. Equal to, first we find the delta. Delta is nothing but coefficient of x and y for the first equation as well as second equation. Coefficient of x for the first equation is 1, y for the first equation what? 1. Then 1, 1, 2, 1. So first we find delta. Delta equal to 1, 1, 2, 1. What is that one? The downward minus upward. 1 into 1 is what? 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 1 2. Minus 2. 1 minus 2 is nothing but what? Minus 1. First we find the delta. Next we find the what? Delta x. So what do you know? Delta x. You replace 1 and 2. Replace the x value. You substitute the constant. What is the constant? 10 and 16. Constant for the first and second equation is what? 10 and 16. So instead of replace x value, You substitute what? 10 and 16. Y value is write it as itself 1, 1. Now delta x is equal to 10 into 1 is what? 10. 16 ones are what? 16. Downward minus upward. 10 ones are 10. 16 ones are 16. 10 minus 16 equal to what? Minus 6. This is nothing but what? Delta x. Next we find what? Delta y. How to find delta y? Similarly, keep the x value as itself. What is the x value? Delta y. So replace the y value. X value is what? 1 and 2. What is our x value? 1 and coefficient of x is what? 1, 2. Coefficient of x is what? 1, 2. Replace 1, 1. You replace, what you substitute? The constant value. Constant value is what? 10 and 16. 10, first equation 10 and the second is 16. So constant value is substitute what? 10 and 16. So delta y. Delta y is nothing but what? You can substitute the constant value. Delta y equal to 1 to 10, 16. 1 to is x value. Replace the y value. You substitute the constant 10 and 16. So here also what? Downward minus upward. 1 into 16 is what? 16. 2 tens are what? 20. 16 minus 20 is what? Minus 4. So we find what? Delta equal to minus 1. Delta x is equal to minus 6. Delta y equal to minus 4. How to find x? The same procedure. X is equal to what? Delta x by delta. Delta x is nothing but what? Minus 6. Delta is what? Minus 1. Delta is minus 1. So delta x by delta equal to minus 6 by minus 1 equal to what? 6 plus 6 minus minus plus. Similarly y. Y equal to what? Delta y by delta. What is our delta y? Delta y is what? Minus 4. Delta is what? Minus 1. Now minus 4 by minus 1 equal to plus 4. That is nothing but x is equal to 6. Y is equal to 4. What we take? Let x in the liters of 50% of the acid. That is, instead of x, what you are substituting? See that one. Final step very important. 6 liters of 50% of acid and 4 liters of 25% of acid solution to be mixed to get how much liter? 10 liter of 40% of acid solution. What is this one? Instead of x is what? We find 6 liters. Instead of y is also find what? How many liters? 4 liters. The x is the 6 liter, y is the 4 liters. So final step write properly. Therefore 6 liters of 50% of acid. 6 liters of 50% of acid and 4 liters of 25% of acid solution to be mixed to get 10 liters of 40% of acid solution. Listen students, refer the question properly. We make the linear equation. You find out the linear equation without mistake means you solve the using grammar rule to solve the problem very easy for you. Thank you children.